Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video I will be showing you this new wig that I got from myfirstwig.com. This is a beginner's tutorial. This is for anyone that is a beginner at wearing wigs. So I will be demonstrating how I apply this wig at a beginner stage. So if you guys are interested to see this video, then definitely keep watching. So as stated before, this wig is from myfirstwig.com. This is the actual box that the wig comes in. I'm basically doing the unboxing so you guys can see exactly what comes with the wig. So they give you a Flyaway Tamer product. They also include in the box a zip up pouch that comes with a rat tail comb. It comes with clips, an elastic band, bobby pins, any and everything that you would need to apply your very first wig. Also, the wig did come with a wig stand, and last but not least, the wig does come in its own little zip up packaging. So if you guys were not wearing the wig, you can put the wig back in the zip up pouch that they give you. This is exactly how the wig will come to you. I actually have their middle part blunt cut bob. This is a lace front wig. This wig comes with a lot of parting space. It is not your average 4-inch parting space. The parting space is way bigger. Inside of the wig, it does come with 3 combs, 2 combs on the side, as well as a comb in the back, and then it also comes with adjustable straps in the back. So the first step that you want to do when applying your lace front wig is to go ahead and apply the wig cap that you are going to use. I'm basically using the wig cap that came in the box. So the first step that I do is to apply the wig onto my head to see if it does fit properly and if I need to make any type of adjustments to the wig based on if it's too loose or too tight. So I did apply the wig onto my head, and like I stated before, I did get this wig in a 21.5-inch size, and it does fit perfectly, so I do not have to make any type of adjustments to the wig. So once I do that, the next step that you want to do is go ahead and start cutting the excess lace off of your wig. Now this wig comes with the excess lace in the front as well as the back. So I'm going in and starting to cut the excess lace off of the back of the wig, and then I'm going to go ahead and start cutting the front lace as well. Now I'm hoping you guys can see this, so that's why I kind of zoomed in so you can see when I cut the lace and the front. You want to make sure that you cut it in a jagged motion. You do not want to cut straight across. Cutting in a jagged motion will definitely make the front hairline of your wig look very natural looking instead of really boxy. So now that I've cut the excess lace, I wanted to show you guys that the next step in making your or applying your wig and making it look even more natural looking is to make sure that that hairline is plucked. You do not want a too dense of a frontal or hairline, but in this case with the My First wig that I got, I did not have to pluck the hairline at all. This is exactly how the hairline looked with the wig that I got straight out of the box. So I didn't have to go in and tweeze anything. But you do notice that the next step that you would have to do is you would have to hide those black knots or black dots. So I'm kind of showing you guys that there are black knots or black dots all throughout the frontal of the wig. And in order to do this, most people either bleach the knots, they apply a face powder or a foundation that matches closely to their skin tone, or you can use the Sally Hansen airbrush leg spray to hide the knots. Now, I didn't want to bleach the knots on this wig, so I went in with the Sally Hansen spray, and then I also followed it up with my face powder to hide those black knots. So the next step that I'm going to go ahead and do is I am going to lay down the front of the lace frontal. Like I stated before, you can install the elastic band to make sure that hairline lays flush to your skin, but in this case I didn't use the elastic band because I thought if I did, it would make my wig even tighter. So I will be going in with the Got To Be gel to lay down that front hairline, and I'm using a makeup brush to apply the gel to the front of my hairline, and I'm just going in and making sure that the frontal lays down flat. After I did that, the next step that I did was I am going in and defining my part. I wanted to keep it at a middle part, so I'm going in with my rat tail comb and defining the part even more, and then I'm actually using a little bit of water to lay down the flyaways. So I as you guys can kind of see, like when you take a wig straight out of the box or straight out of this packaging, it does come with some lumps and bumps. So I did go in with my flat iron to make sure that the I straightened out all those different demarcation lines or dents in the hair. Now, while flat ironing my hair, I am using a styling wax from Care just to make sure that the frontal, or where my parting is, lays down as flat as possible. And the last step that I did is I actually went in with my curling wand to lay down the part even more. You can either use a curling wand or you can use a hot comb, but I just went in with my curling wand and applied the curling wand to the front of the hairline as well as the parting space. So you guys, this is like the final look of my middle part wig that I got from myfirstwig.com. This wig looks super nice. I love the texture of the hair. I love the feel of it. I love the way that I really did not have to do too much to this wig. I did get this wig in their Yaki texture. So this is basically how the wig looks without any type of baby hairs, but I will show you guys how the wig looks with baby hairs. So I did go in with the rat tail comb and just pulled out a few pieces, and then used a eye brush shaper to cut the hairs a little bit shorter, and then I went in with my edge control brush and some Got To Be gel, and then went ahead and created some baby hairs. So you guys, let me know what you think about this wig. I simply love this wig. I love the fact that I did not have to do too much to this wig. If you guys are interested in myfirstwig.com or the exact wig that I got, I will leave all the information down below in the description section. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.